This is the Let's Resin UV Resin Starter Kit. And that's the box. And that's everything that comes inside the box. You have a user manual for the UV itself, the actual little lamp. You have a user manual for the entire kit. And this is a little user manual for the light. You get a silicone mold. You get some little, I don't know what you'd call these. There's silver on one side, gold on the other. Call them decors for the moment. They go in the resin itself. You've got this little bit of tape, which can also be used as a base for the resin, which is used with these little bits here. So you place the tape down on the bench or table or whatever you're going to do it on. You put the little piece that you've got in here on top of the tape, and then you can put the resin in it and it stops it spreading all over your table. You've got some dried flowers. They're rather nice. Some tweezers for manipulating the bits and pieces. And you've got some little infills, some sparklies. So quite a nice little display there. You've got a little keychain, a couple of these things. You've got some more bits and pieces. So many things that come with this kit, it's incredible. These are little earring bits and pieces, it looks like. We've even got some silicone mixing bits and pieces, so a little measuring bowl, a couple of silicone, and these are very flexible, so as you can see. You've got the resin itself, and this is good resin. I've used this before, it's excellent stuff. You've got a little cap, so once you take off the top here, it's got a little seal underneath that you break. So you break the seal, and then you put the pouring cap over the top. So once you're finished in that, so it's quite a nice one. The pouring cap is, if you unscrew it, you can actually pour the liquid through that, and then you've got a cap to go back over the top. So very well thought out. And of course we've got the little Let's Resin UV light itself, and it's USB powered, USB type C. You've got these little legs at the bottom which keep it up off the bench top, and you've got a cable which is a USB type A to USB type C for power, and that's pretty well everything. It's very, very comprehensive, a great little starter kit if you're looking into getting into resin. It's great stuff. And this is the selection of different shapes that you can actually make necklaces and keychains out of. So let's pop a little bit in here. Okay, let's put the UV lamp over the top. So the lamp is off now, and we'll see if it's set. That's pretty solid. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not bad. So the grandchildren are going to get to play with this, and I'm pretty certain I'll do a better job than what I've done. But the kit is brilliant.